Hey everybody, it's Lon Seibin. It's time for another unboxing, and we've got in the Lenovo Legion Y7000P the other day. This is a gaming laptop from Lenovo. It's going to start around $1,100, give or take, and you can get it configured with up to a GTX 1060 GPU, an i7 processor, and a 144 Hertz display. This is the entry-level model. Again, it starts at around $1,100 or $1,200, and it's got the i5 processor, a quad-core i5 Coffee Lake chip built in, and it's got, I believe, 8 gigs of RAM. So let's take a look at this thing as it boots up. It's pretty beefy, actually. It's got a nice heavier feel to it than some of the other gaming laptops we've looked at from Lenovo. You got the nice Lenovo keyboard here with a number pad as well, so you've got a few extra keys on this one. USB 3 port here, headphone microphone jack over there. Most of your ports here are on the back, so we've got a Kensington lock slot, power, gigabit Ethernet, HDMI, another USB 3 port. This is mini display port out, and there is a USB Type-C port here on the back. I was hoping it might be Thunderbolt, but it's not. This looks like just a regular USB 3 or USB 3.1 port there on the back. I believe it is, I'm not sure if it's Gen 1 or not either. We'll have to go through and check. The spec sheet did not make its way to me yet. This is on loan from Lenovo, by the way. You got a good amount of cooling here, and that should help a bit too, just given the size of the case to move some air around there. We'll pop the case off here in a minute too and see what we can upgrade on it. So that is what that looks like. Pretty attractive device. Very thin bezels on it. One thing I noticed though is that the webcam is on the bottom, so that might bother some folks. All right, so we got it taken apart here on the desk. There are a number of screws you have to remove, and you'll probably need one of those plastic spudger things to get the lid off of it. We've got an M2 NVMe drive right here. This base model comes with 128 gigabytes, but you can upgrade it. It looks like there's room for a full-size card here as well, although the one they have in here is half size. It does have a thermal pad on the top of it because these drives do tend to heat up, and that makes contact with a copper plate here to dissipate some of the heat. But I don't think it's part of the airflow system here, but it does have some cooling as part of its design here on the case. Right here is a traditional spinning SATA drive, but you could always pop in an SSD there if you wanted to. The RAM is underneath this plate here. It comes in dual channel configuration. This one is the 8 gig model, so we've got two 4 gig sticks under this metal plate here, but you can upgrade it, I think, to 32 gigabytes. And just you have to take this piece off of here and get under it, but it's definitely upgradable. Your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card is right there, so that is the inside of it. So we're going to put this thing back together now and get ready for our full review, which you'll find soon, if I can put it back together the right way. You'll find soon at lon.tv, so stay tuned for that, and let me know if you'd like to see anything specific in the review. Until next time, this is Lon Seibin. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters Chris Allegretta, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.